Lucky, lucky, lucky. Now, what do I have? What could I have purchased? Ooh, oh, drop those on a hole. I'll just toss them on the ground here. What could I have bought? Well, let's find out. Hello. What do you think it is? Yeah. So bring on the hate. I bought tow mirrors for my Silverado 1500. Look at that. Now these are supposed to fit, and they look about, they're different. Well, no they're not. Yeah, look at that. So that should fit. I think they're the same. So I'll set this over here. Look at you, there's another one. So they're painted. They're already pre-painted. They're already the right color. So, beauty, beauty, beauty. I'm gonna switch over to these. Alright, so now it's time to take this off. So what I do is you pop this. So this, I've already popped it off to check it out. This goes on here and just boom, pops open, and you can access these bolts. I don't know if I have to open this all up or not. I'll figure that out here in a second. Okay, sit rep. I had to pop this open. I had to remove my door handle. You can see right here. So there's two bolts there that pops open. I had to remove this slightly, and there you can see here I am accessing the wire. So if I pull here, this should slide through here, maybe. Maybe. So I might have to take this off. I'll just take this off a little bit more, but this will pop open here. Yeah, it's stuck. So I'll have to there we go. See how it's moving? Oh wait, no, it's now it's not. Okay, come on. Oh boy. This is gonna be even. Okay. Boom, see? There it goes. There we go. So now I just have to figure out how to get it back in. Nope. I might have to take this out completely. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can't. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to pop this open. You can see, and take this off, so I can take this whole piece off. It's probably, I wonder if this comes off and has, yeah. It looks like this might come off, might have bolts behind that. I think there's probably a bolt behind this. I'll see how far I have to take it off, and I'll give you another sit rep in just a moment. Well, there it is. So you have to take out, there's two bolts in here that come out. There's this bolt you can access. This bolt here is access there. This pops off, and then take this bolt out so you can open this up. It'll slide right out and drop right out. So I'm going to put the other mirror in. There it is. Easy install. Simple matter now of running this wire in here, and then these wires, I believe, need run to the turn signal to get my lights turned on. So if you see here, it comes with a wiring diagram. It says gray wire clearance lamp positive, gray wire clearance lamp negative. I probably will get that into that after I've installed both lights. Put this thing back together because it is getting kind of late. And I'm doing this outside and I don't want to be out here in the dark. Black wire and blue wire. Huh. So considering this whole harness is here, I wonder if it actually already has the turn signal hooked up or not. So if it has the turn signal already hooked up and my truck already has that, which I doubt it does, I can plug in this to the turn signal up front there, and like you have to run this through. But so, well, I mean, that's what I'm gonna end up doing, I guess. So, okay, we'll slide this through here. It's rather difficult. It goes in here. There's a wire here in the way, so this piece will slide. There, you can see it. So okay, there we go. That was actually easier than I thought it was. Okay, there we go. Boom, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Yep. Bingo. Look at that. There they are. It works. It works. It works. It works. It works. It works. Okay. Shut off the key. All right. So now I have to. Okay. I wonder what the best. I'll probably just leave that in there. Probably just leave that in there, and then I'll get a wire, something here, somehow get a hole in there and run another hose into there to protect it. But for now, I'm going to put all this back together. So I've already got that installed. This is installed. This is installed. So okay, so we'll put that bolt back in, and then this whole thing just popped back in place. Alright, I got slightly hung up talking to my slightly hung up talking to my grandparents, but this is all back on, all back installed. You can hardly see. This goes in here, like so. Just tuck that, that's like a sound deadening or something. Goes right there. And then this, right on there, pops in. I will install the other side tonight, and then focus. I'll install the other side yet tonight. Oh, you can't see me. Okay, hi. I'll install the other side yet tonight, and then it'll be probably tomorrow, maybe the day after. I will wire that all up and film for you. It's all going to be in the same video. So, just give me 1 second. We're going to transition to tomorrow. Okay, I'm in the shop now. I ripped it back apart again. I'm going to drill a hole right here, and I'll run these wires into my engine bay. So after attempting unsuccessfully to drill a hole, I decided to switch up my tactic and run my wires a different way. And after hours of wiring, pulling wires, and hooking this, that, and the other thing together, taping, and just kind of generally banging up my hands, I crossed my fingers and went to see if my turn signals work, and they did not. Turns out, despite what the instructions said, those wires were for the reverse lights. So, since I didn't want reverse lights, I ditched that idea completely, and in the future I may wire in the clearance lights, but for now, I'm just going to leave it the way it is.